Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews. Today we have the 2011 Chevrolet Suburban LTZ. This one is yet another auction car, so she's rough around the edges, but the base car is still there. Just apparently not. Is this door really? So that door doesn't work. It's news to me. Go around here. But overall, not terrible. Hasn't been detailed or anything yet, but the camera's foggy. It's because it's so humid out. That should be fixed very, very shortly. Heated and cooled seats, power pedals, everything you really need. Bose sound. Got a decent amount of power to her, not a ton, nothing to blow your socks off. But again, she's got 176,000 miles on her, so I'm gonna be gentle with it. Suspension's all sorts of messed up in the rear. I feel a clunk every time I step on the throttle, but that's par for the course with a 170,000 mile GM product. Oh yeah, and the dash is cracked, so for all you GM guys making fun of Ram guys for cracked dash, you guys got that problem too. Ooh, don't sway like that, baby. Don't do that. That was a little worrying. You know, this thing isn't half bad. Yeah, it's rough around the edges, but this generation, I mean, I grew up, you see every like FBI TV show had one of these in it. Motor still pulls strong. All right, thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. See you all in the next one.